I usually will create certain tasks so you want them to respond with something that's pretty specific, because the question that you're going to have is, can this person follow directions? Now, granted, not everyone needs to be so administratively minded. Some people are going to be in a place where they're not management level staff. They may be more back of the house staff, and they may be more used to working with their hands. It's more of an industrial level job. They might not have the most beautiful looking formatted resumes. That's okay. So you want to look at, and the way that I philosophically look at it is, I'm always testing my employees before and even when they're hired at almost every stage. And so asking someone to perform a small task like, please respond to this with why you're passionate about working here, your cover letter, and your resume, and maybe you ask them to do something else. What's your favorite fruit or vegetable and why? Just from doing that, the question that you're trying to discover is, one, who is this person? What do they value? But also, more importantly, can they follow clear directions? Because if they can't follow clear directions from the beginning, then more likely than not, it's going to be hard later on.